Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your baby, your one and only it's your girl VanessaK7, the one and only Vanessa, here with another makeup tutorial. By the way, I'm wearing clothes. I'm just wearing a bandeau top. So like my video before you carry on watching. For all, make sure you subscribe. I know the struggle now. The YouTuber's not doing this for fun. It's because the camera is pissing. I'm gonna reverse it. Normally I use the setting spray after I've done my whole makeup, but I'm doing something new and trying something different because I kind of don't like a pasty look after I finish makeup. So new trick. So guys, I use both Mercier and Sacha Buttercup powder because Mercier is too white and Sacha Buttercup is too yellow. So I like to mix both. So for these areas, I mix both the Sacha powder and the Mercier powder. Mercier powder. Sacha always brings a colour. Guys, and new subscribers, in case you didn't know, and those who already know me as Vanessa, you know that I've always had like a up and down relationship with eyeshadow. Anyway, so I'm starting to do like simple eyeshadow looks that is beginner level but looks stunning. Not dramatic, but it screams dramatic. It screams wow. Like, who's that girl that just walked in the club? Like, let me buy her a drink. Let me buy her a drink. So this eyeshadow look was inspired by the UK makeup artist called Bernicia Boateng. People can say I rinse this palette out because I do, and I have to support my baby girl Patricia Bright, who is the, should I say, the GOAT. So Bernice said you use the powder on top of the pencil to kind of set the pencil in, and then this will give the smoky eye effect. I'm going to take my blending brush. And she said, blend, sis. She said, blend. Said, black lighter. Guys, so let's get my previous 2 videos to 100 likes minimum, and I'm going to release my teenage confessions video. Bernice said, under here. I said, yeah. Guys, I can just imagine holding this mascara stick, yeah, and it just falling out my hands onto my makeup. Oh, stop. Guys, I normally do a pink lip. I'm gonna do a nude. That's what I'm gonna do a nude today. Yes. I'm joking. I said, yes, sir. It said eyelashes.
Charging super sane, that's where I turn up. Or charging, I go super sane too. Cause what's in my cup, then I'm staying too. Money on lap, not a bitch, I ain't paying dues.
This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank Bernicia Boateng for putting out that short Instagram tutorial because it really helped me a lot. I wouldn't have done this look if I hadn't have seen that video of her, so I want to shout out to the girl. Follow me on my Instagram as well, VanessaK7. no, it's underscore VanessaK7, and my Snapchat, which is Vanessa7XX. I will see you guys in my next video. If you love this look and you thought it was easy, try it out at home. Comment down below. Go on my Instagram, tag Bernice, tag all the MUAs, and thank you guys so much for watching. Like, I appreciate you guys. Bye.